In today's video, we're going to be finding a product, building a store, and launching some ads all in the span of a few hours. It's currently actually almost 7 p.m. here, and my ad accounts are in Eastern Standard Time, so I need to get these ads up before 9 p.m., which is 12 p.m. in Eastern Standard Time Zone. Right now, I'm in the Pacific Time Zone. We're kind of in a rush. I already got the store built out and the product picked. I did that earlier this morning. I just did not get the chance to actually record that, but regardless, it doesn't really matter because I'm not going to be showing you guys the store or revealing the product in this video. Maybe in a later video, if I post an update on this store, if it actually does end up doing well, I might post a case study like I said, reveal the store, reveal the product, and show the back end of my ad accounts. Maybe, I don't know, we'll talk about it when the time comes, if that is something you guys would be interested in seeing. So yeah, if you guys do want a case study, leave a comment down below saying case study, and let's get into the video.
When I was down, they didn't give me shit, but I'm the man now. They hate me cause I'm in my bag now. The fight for my spot was a bang out. No, this lifestyle don't come with a handout. Got love for my brothers, I won't switch. Wanna see my
So I just came to the realization that we're not gonna be able to get the things up by midnight, but that doesn't mean that we're not gonna try and schedule the ads still to go up tomorrow. So hopefully we can get it done by morning. I forgot I haven't eaten dinner yet. I also have a few campaigns for a few stores that I need to manage. So we're gonna have to delay the video editing for our ad a couple hours so we can get some food and we can get those campaigns running, and then we're gonna launch these campaigns for the store as soon as possible. I'll reach back to you guys once we're done the video ad.
So listen, this man Shelton, he wanted to go to Walmart. Had to take this man into the Winco real quick.
To be honest, I was just trying to get some Little Caesars and some Domino's pizza, but
in America, in America, this is the spot right here to shop right here. 24 hours, 24 hours. Everything's quality. You get what you. It's an employee-owned store. Look it up.
I feel like we're too noisy in here. Like, it's actually a very quiet store. We're actually making some noise. Yo, there's mold in there. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get the video ad done on time, but I mean, we're still gonna get the ads up tomorrow, and I'm gonna give you guys a live update on the store and how many sales we actually generate over the course of 24 hours tomorrow. I might add in 48 hours, or I might save it for a next video. Watch till the end, you'll find out. I actually feel really bad because these guys have had me waiting here for 45 minutes to still be in the same aisle. Look, when we were looking at the apples, they were on the other side.
I'm trying to make sure that every tangerine, is firm and solid.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Complete waste of time, but I'm hungry, so we gotta get it still. Look at this guy's feet.
This man showing goofy, man, over here dropping them, man. Now you gotta buy 2 of them, man.
You want me to go put one back?
Are you gonna, I mean, you might as well.
But I'm gonna eat both.
Oh yeah. No, if you are.
Look at this. Look at this content. We're about to check out. Leave in the comments down below how much you think this cart's gonna cost. I'm gonna give you guys the value of this cart in the next video. So I'm gonna check this video and see you guys drop it down below. When I drop the next video, I'm gonna come back to this one and see all the comments that people left. You know what? The person that gets the closest will get a free 30-minute consulting call. So leave your comments down below. I'm gonna go home, get the video ad done, eat some food, then get the ad posted. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So there we go. So we just got back from the grocery store, and it's time to actually go ahead and finish the video ad, as I said, because we still want to get the ads running tomorrow. Over here, it's still currently 10:52, but in Eastern Standard Time, it's about 2 a.m. I think. Yeah, 2 a.m. We need to get the ads running before morning, and hopefully they do get approved before morning. So I'm gonna go ahead, create these video ads real quick, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys shortly. So I just finished editing the 3 videos. It took me a little bit longer than expected. It took me about an hour and a half, but like, I can't lie, I was wasting time a bit, and I got kind of bored, and I got up and I started doing other stuff. Yeah, I mean, I could have done it quicker, but anyways, I put a lot of work into these videos. Hopefully the results are good. Me, I'm expecting pretty good results. So I'm gonna get into the ads manager now. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I launch my ads. So I'm gonna go through the process with you guys. So we're here on my ads manager. So the first thing we're gonna do is press create ad, of course. And then we're gonna go ahead and name our first campaign. So I always start off with conversion campaigns. I don't see a point in using any other objective. So the first thing I'm gonna do is name this campaign, and I'm gonna go ahead and say LC CBO. And then that's because we're going lowest cost and it's CBO. And then usually if it's like a niche store or a general store, I'm gonna put the name of the product here. But since it's a one product store, there's no point of putting the name of the product just because there's only one product for the store. And then I'm gonna go ahead and say phase 1 because I like to break down my marketing strategy in 5 different phases. Obviously we're just launching right now, so this is gonna be the first phase. And then we're gonna calculate our break-even ROAS. In this case, I didn't do it yet, but off the top of my head, I believe it's about 1.4, I believe. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go ahead and check it afterwards just to confirm. And now it brings us to this page. So I always use CBOs, so we're just gonna check that and turn it on. And then I like to start off at a $200 budget. I don't want to do 2,000, but at a $200 budget. And then that brings us here. So if you guys did not connect your pixel, go ahead and connect a pixel and then go straight into purchase objectives. And then usually you'd want to set it up for midnight the next day. Don't do like me. I'm really impatient. I just got my videos done and I want to launch this as soon as possible. So I'm just going to launch it. Usually if you do want to maximize your budget, launch it for the next day at midnight. So then we're gonna go here and we're gonna put a minimum spend limit of $10 because I'm running on a $200 budget. If I was running on a $100 budget, I'd put a $5 minimum spend limit. If you guys watch my last videos, I explained the strategy a little bit more in depth, but we're really rolling off the exact same strategy pretty much. You know what? I'm gonna give this a bit of time. We're gonna go here and then I'm gonna pick out the e-packet list that I use. If you guys do want this e-packet list, just send a message in my Telegram group chat. The link's down below. Just say, send the e-packet list, just ask me for it, and I'll send the list in the group chat. But yeah, just join the group chat. The link's in the description down below, and I'll be happy to send you guys the e-packet list. So then we're gonna remove detailed targeting expansion, then we're gonna use English all. So as I said, my product is in a passionate niche and it appeals very well for Christmas. So you guys could probably guess what type of product this is. I'm gonna go ahead and pick an interest for my product. I don't really want you guys to know exactly what niche we're in, but I gave you guys a pretty good hint. So if you can guess it, good for you. If not, then too bad. So yeah. Essentially, you'd put in that one interest here and then you'd go ahead and name the actual ad set itself. But as I said, I'm gonna do this all behind the scenes so that you guys don't really guess what product I'm running. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is go and set up the ad creative. So I'm gonna do all of this and then get the ads launched. Hopefully they get approved by morning and we have a couple sales when I wake up. If not, then that's pretty shitty, but let's hope for the best. So I just finished making the 3 creatives and we have the campaigns published now. All 10 ad sets are there and they're in review. So I scheduled these ads for 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, just so it gives it a bit of time to get reviewed. Maybe they won't get reviewed on time, but if they do, that's good. Hopefully they do get up on time, and by the time that I wake up tomorrow morning or today morning, the ads are running and we do have a few sales. So I'm gonna check back with you guys with maybe a midday update or an update at the end of the day and see what actually happened. So until then, peace. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little midday update. Right now it's about 12 p.m. where I'm at, so it's about 3 p.m. in the Eastern Standard Time, which my ad account is in. And I have some good news first and some bad news. So we're gonna start off with the bad news. Unfortunately, my ad account got disabled. I was at the gym and got an email that my ad account went down. So the ads are not running anymore. But the good news is that we did get our first sale. I don't know if you guys can see that. We did get our first sale and we're about break even right now. So the thing is, I'm gonna have to launch the ads again or appeal the ad account ban, but I'm most likely just gonna launch the ads again on a different ad account. I might switch up the creative too. Like I might play with my ad copy because I realize that the CPCs are high. I'm not really messing with the metrics that I have right now. So I'm gonna make those changes. The ads are gonna go back up tomorrow. And then, you know, we're gonna see if it's gonna improve and hopefully we do get pretty good results. So I'm just gonna give you guys another update tomorrow because there's not much else I can do for today. If I go ahead and launch the ads right now on my current ad account that I have, well, I mean a different ad account that I have, then it's gonna rush my budget for the rest of the day and we don't wanna do that. So, I mean, it kind of works out because we can get the ads scheduled for midnight and then actually get a whole day's worth of data and performance. So you know, we're gonna see what happens tomorrow. So I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. We're back here. We got the new ad account up. Right now is actually the second day technically, but I don't really count yesterday because the ad account went down. But yeah, we launched stuff on a new ad account, new pixel, remade the creatives, and then relaunched the ads. And then I woke up this morning with 2 sales. So we have, I don't know if you guys can see that, about $80 in sales. And we're about break even right now. I don't know if we're gonna finish profitable for the day just because our CPCs are very high. Black Friday is in a few days. So, you know, there's a lot of people spending a lot of money on marketing and it's really hard to outbid them when we're just low budget testing right now. You know, I doubt we're gonna finish profitable today, but I'll give you guys another update at the end of the day just to see how much we did, and then I'll show you guys the ad account. We're gonna have to wrap up the video there because this video is getting pretty long and I don't wanna have you guys sitting down for too long, but yeah, stay tuned. I'll get back to you guys at the end of the day. So as I suspected, we didn't get any other sales for the rest of the day. So I just shut the ads off early because the metrics weren't too good. It doesn't really surprise me given the fact that Black Friday is coming up, but I do have a lot of hope in this product and I do have a very nice website for it. So what I think I'm gonna do is relaunch the product either come December, or I'm gonna relaunch it now and I'm just gonna use worldwide targeting so we can get a lot cheaper clicks. Right now our cost per click is sitting at $2 and we have a $50 CPM, which makes absolutely no sense. If we had like a normal CPM around like, you know, $10, then our cost per click would be low as hell, like probably like 30 cents or something. But yeah, you know, if it was that, in that case we'd be highly profitable right now, which is kind of nerve-wracking, but I'm not tripping. I am gonna relaunch this. If it does end up doing well, I'm gonna let you guys know. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. Yeah, so as I said, we didn't get any more sales. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and post a picture of the ad account. I'm gonna put it up right here. Yeah, I mean, not everything works out, but you know, we're gonna keep testing. Like I said, we ain't tripping. It's unfortunate for you guys. You guys probably expected me to make millions of dollars in this. Nah, e-commerce doesn't work like that. But on a good note, we do have a store running today. I'm gonna show you guys. On this store, we did hit, we're about to hit 1.6K and we're sitting at about a 23% margin, I believe. Yesterday, we finished at nearly 3K for the day, which is also pretty good. So as I said before, a lot more content coming out soon. So stay tuned, 2 videos a week. Huge shout out to those who stayed here till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.